Sonny Bansal here with Remax Commercial Advantage with a team called Iconic Properties Group. I just want you to know I'm in a rural part of Mission. It's called the Steelhead area, and what I'm sitting on right now is a beautiful 19.37 acres of industrial zone land. The zoning is called INR, short for Industrial Resource. You can have extraction or aggregate management. So 2 really restricted uses, awesome little place to be. Steelhead is a really rural community. We got servicing, water servicing only at lot line, and we're at 24 degrees right now in beautiful Mission, BC, and I'm not even sweating. So hit me up on my phone.